National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Indio County in Eastern California, extreme northwestern San Bernardino County in Southern California, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 12 miles north of Trona, or 27 miles northeast of Ridgecrest, and was moving south at 10 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Trona Wild Rose Road from the south end of the Panamint Valley to Trona. This also includes the community of Trona. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds which can bring down trees and power lines and cause significant blowing dust and debris. In addition, hail and lightning are likely. Lightning can kill. Take cover in a substantial shelter and stay away from windows until the storm passes. Report severe weather by posting your report to the Las Vegas National Weather Service Facebook page, or on Twitter using @NWSVegas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties: Indio and San Bernardino County in Southern California,